What are some upsells if I have one product Shopify dropshipping store? So really the best way to do it is like, you want to pre-purchase upsell. If it's a product that people could buy multiple of, which most products kind of are, you want to have it so that you have like discounted multiples. What's it called? Bulk discounts. Bulk discounts. So you can use like wide bundle. It's quite a good one to do that. It's like an application, so it looks pretty and stuff like this. So you can choose like multiple quantities, or you could choose like a bit of a package, right? You could choose a bit of a package. So in terms of like, if you're selling, I saw this in the store the other day. Let's say you're selling t-shirts, or you're selling shirts, right? You could sell a package that is shirts and trousers at the same time, right? So you could sell a shirt and a trousers. So like a shirt's going to be like 40 quid, but then you sell shirt and trousers for like 70 quid, but your cost of goods is actually not that much more because both items are being shipped together. Shipping's really expensive. So you can do it like that. There's so many different things. You just want to sell a complementary product and try and get people to buy a complementary product at the same time. You can do that on the product page. You can do that with like one-click upsell, like a pre-purchase upsell when they add an item to cart. You can also do it with a post-purchase upsell. They work really, really, really well.